Christmas is a time for traditions, family, and enough music. So we went down a town and spoke to a few people about what they love most about the holidays.
Yeah, my favorite Christmas song on Christmas would be Oh Holy Night in Bethlehem, something like that. Something like Oh Holy Night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night. No more than that.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Oh, all the night, Mariah Carey. When I hear that song, my heart goes whoop, whoop, whoop.
Jingle bell.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Yeah.
Feliz Navidad.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of a dear Savior's birth.
Alright, you remember the crime-free Christmas in 2016? The medley that Tifa, Busy Signal, and the song that Chronic sing as a Santa Claus. Do you ever come to the ghetto?
I don't really have a favorite, but I just sing anything with my ears. So
Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto?
jingle bell, rock.
Tradition. Well, my favorite Christmas tradition is like if you go to the country, go look for my family and thing. You know what I mean?
Me love me cake, me sorrel, me curry goat, me oxtail, me fish.
The cookie is your favorite?
Yeah, but me boil me sorrel. Me put every little thing in it. When it cold, me strain off here 2-3 days, put all my pimento seed in it. And just right there.
I'm going to spend Christmas with my family this year, not on the street as I used to do.
Tradition? No eat Christmas cake. That's all.
Eat cake and eat Christmas dinner.
I just eat with my family and enjoy time with them.
We have to make it for people by me.
Christmas tradition is going to church on Christmas morning with the family and waking up to a hot cup of chocolate tea, Jamaican chocolate tea, ackee and saltfish, and all the niceties that goes with that.
Christmas tradition was sorrel wine with all of those white rum and the little wine in it, and the Christmas cake. Yeah.
My wish for Jamaica is for, a crime-free Christmas. Basically, a crime-free Christmas.
Big up TVJ, and I love you, bro. You're my favorite Christmas present. I wish you all the best for 2021, bro. Mwah!